quiet lang. Shush, you need to quiet on.
Wow.
Say wow.
Wow. You can play dance.
What you doing?
2001.
Wow. You can play dance.
I have
Girl.
a bigger hand than you. Look, your hand is so tiny. Oh no, because this is paint, that's why. Ah, magkaparehas, Will.
Daddy,
Yes.
Daddy, I was playing pilot training so I can remember how to fly airplanes.
Okay, because when you go big, what you like to do?
Be pilot.
Okay.
I started off with my day on a tiny
Austin.
start.
Okay.
Doing.
And now I started off on a
What?
medium start.
Okay.
Now bigger and bigger
Okay,
into
that's why-
747.
Okay, that's why you need to go to school every day. And what?
Play.
Work hard.
Play.
Play.
Play. Play.
After your class, you want to go haircut?
Yes, please.
But we're almost here. Over there.
Where?
There.
Where?
There.
Where?
There.
Finally,
Finally.
to watch me.
Yeah, of course. Shut up. Yeah.
Stop.
Oh, so guwapo, kuya. Wow.
What's happened?
So, nadulas.
Uy, what happened? Come here. Come here, babe. What happened?
So guwapo, my kuya.
So, see? We look alike now.
I like your haircut.
See? We're guapo. The barber said that we're guapo.
He's lying.
No, he's not.
Kuya is guwapo.
He said that we look alike and your dad is like American.
What?
No?
What's that?
Oh, why? Hostess love your chips. No,
I cannot eat too much, sir.
Hi guys, andito ako ngayon sa World Trade. Ayan kita nyo? Kasi may guesting kami ngayon dito. And yeah, papasok ako ngayon. Ay, sino nandun na? May Mark pa lang.
Kuya James, kala niya 3 p.m.
Ay, oh!
Ganun ba? Kala ko 3 p.m.
Ako, patapos na. Papunta pa lang. Ano? Oo. Kasama nga na sarang sila. Kaso natulog yung bata. Oo. Saan tayo? So, dito ako sa loob. Kasama ko yun, oh. Malupit na red. Wala. Oo. Madami na tao doon. Ayun pala.
Just trying to give you something spooky out to forget. I'm just trying to give you something.
Namin. Okay lang. Ayan, si Kuya Mark. Kuya Mark. Ito pala yung malupit eh. Ayan. Lakad ka na lakad ah.
Bago na mascot partner, nasa kabila yun.
Asa yung isa?
Ayun, kararating lang.
Ah? Ayun pala yun. Ay, pangalan niya?
Alpha.
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 Alpha Kumpal na yung pangalan dun eh. Ayan, babatihan natin si Alpha. Kumusta? Ayos lang. Kanina ka pa?
Bye.
Sayaw! Yan, galingan mo! Si Alpha Kupal tsaka si Happy Days. Stay happy. Yan, may naantay talaga sila eh. Mamaya darating yung yung malupitang player, yung teammate namin. So, antay-antay lang, di ba? Kasi mamaya, dami na naman tao. Go!
Shout out!
Shout out!
Wala ka talaga eh. Ayan, pumasok na yan. Wala pa rin. Wala.
Tayo dito,
Wala. Bano. So, guys, dito na pala yung yung sinabi mong pinakamalupit na player. Apo, tara po, selfie po tayo.
Yes, sir. Pams ka ng anak ko. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Dito rin, selfie. Selfie. Selfie kami wag. No? Ano naman sabi dyan? Ano sa bitabaw? Trabahin mo muna si Boss James. Boss, trabaho ka muna dyan kasi kanina kami din eh. Ayun, madami na nga. Sabi ko na nga eh. Madami na yung tao eh. Dahil kay Manong James. Ayan. Ang dami. So yung guys, medyo natanga ako dito kasi habang nagbibideo ako, yung mic pala naka-off na. So hindi ko na alam, nalobat na pala yon. So kinausap ko to si Kuya. Sabi niya, malupit talaga pag si James Yap, madaming nagpa-picture. Nakikita naman natin na nagpipilahan talaga para magpa-picture kay James Yap. Iba yan eh, Kunsyal James Yap yan eh. Diba? Habang kami dito sa gilid, tamang chill lang kami dito. O, di ba? Kasi pagkatapos magpa-picture kay James Shop, sa amin naman. Tamang assist lang, di ba? So, ayun. Alright. May napansin ako kanina, madaming tao dito kanina eh. Oo. Ngayon? Ayun, konti na lang oh. Konti na lang, kaso may dumating eh. Padami mo muna. Oo. Ayan. Ayan, Blake. Consial James Shop yun, no?
Gusto mo na, vlog na?
Oh, vlog. Ayan pala eh. Si Konsihal. Kaya pala, konti na lang yung nagsushooting dito eh.